impedance check on my 15 here, and it's definitely a dual 1. So I'm gonna go down and wire this thing up in series, boost it up to 2, and hopefully I can get a little power on this thing without damaging my amp. Well, actually blowing the fuses on my amp. So see what we can do. And basically the amp I'm using is my house amp. It's a old school classic model. It's a Sansui. If any of you guys are into audio, home audio, comment below if you know about the Sansui amps and what's your take on them. But anyway, here we go. Wow. You can hear the whole house literally shaking. I wish I had some mids hooked up, but y'all know what this song is. Onyx 12. And how many pounds is this one, bro? Goodness.
72 pounds.
Dang.
No.
Just to give y'all an idea. My goodness. Here's a sundown next to it. It's an SA12. Literally, I can feel the motor.